Most people only pay attention to the final product of a successful entrepreneur. They say things like, "I can never be like them," or "they got lucky." What most don't see is what they've overcome. All the struggles, the daily rejections, the heartaches, the betrayals, the rumors, the criticism, the empty bank account, and all those lonely nights while trying to make their vision a reality. You see, the only difference between the one who quits and the one who doesn't is that they showed up every day. They worked hard every day. They hustled every day. They learned from a proven mentor every day. They improved every day. They did all this even though they felt like quitting every day. And eventually, they became who they are today.
Start to make money online today. You all know very well that how online business is growing day by day, and now everyone want to trade through internet, because it is very convenient. eMoney Lanka will provide you genuine online job sites and step-by-step guide about how to make money online. In foreign countries people make more money working on internet than why Sri Lankan can't do that? We are here to guide you how to make money online without investment. eMoney Lanka, a global internet marketing solution to take your career to the next level. If you're willing to learn, we're ready to teach. If you're willing to work, we're ready to show you new job opportunities. Become a professional in internet marketing, change your life today and join with eMoney Lanka. We will provide training to those who are interested to learn about internet marketing and how to make money online. We will provide training about internet marketing, graphic design, and how to get jobs in online, Fiverr, SEO Clerk, FiveSquid, FiverrUp, and how to make money online with Google AdSense, YouTube, eBay, and other online job sites. eMoney Lanka will also provide needed softwares for our members: editing, designing softwares, graphic designing, 3D, web designing, photo, video editing softwares, and more. $650 worth for free, plus tutorials. Our course fees is 3,600 rupees only. Why we charge? For the video tutorials, guidebooks, and eMoney Lanka membership, and for the customer support. Always remember that you only can be on the top of the success leader when you have got proper knowledge and training in the relevant field. We succeeded because we make you succeed. If you also want to be succeeded, join us. Our best wishes are always with you. To get more information, visit our website www.emoneylanka.lk or call us 077 662 0523. Thank you.